One Run, One Philippines. You really do feel like you are one. Parang nagkakaisa talaga tayo. You can see all the people who came out here this morning para sumuporta dito.
And it's so nice kasi yung iba, kahit hindi tumatakbo, kahit lumalakad, ay nakikisali, di ba? Hello, good morning!
Saan aga nagising na ito mga to. Pero
Good morning!
tignan mo naman ang mga ngiti ng mga yan. Dayan. Good morning everybody! Salamat!
Ang hirap gumising, pero ang sarap pag tumatakbo na, ano?
Actually, oo. And to run for such a good cause, Dayan.
Oh, mag-ingat tayo, huwag tayo magtulakan. Let's be patient with one another. And let's really run, not only for the Pasig River, but run for the entire Philippines. Hello, good morning!
Mabuhay! Good
Mabuhay
morning!
kayo! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ay, don't forget ha, pumunta kayo sa finish line kasi meron kaming post-race. Maraming artista, may mga banda. So talagang masaya ang linggo natin dito sa One Run, One Philippines. And that's gonna end our time for this morning. But please join us again later for the post-race. At meron kaming isa pang telecast mamayang 10 or 11 a.m.
All right. Okay, One Run, One Philippines is co-presented by Rexona. Do more with Rexona. It won't let you down. And Lactacid Revitalize with vitamin E and collagen. We would also like to thank Unilab, Filipina Shell, Fitbar, Rebisco, YF, Globe.
Okay, at ang ating kasama si Alvin is now covering